Barrels of candy. Man. Do you have a Pez dispenser?
No, I don't, but I did. My kids did. Oh, look at the safety suckers. You hardly see those anymore. That's how Christy cut the end of her nose off.
Wow. Candy, candy.
We'll just put it in here and then she'll put it in.
Is all the same candy the same price? By a pound or whatever? Well, look at all this taffy. Do you say taffy or toffee?
Taffy. That's plenty. Oh, I remember getting these as a kid. Do you? They pull your teeth out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, did they ever.
I used to like the chocolate ones the best.
Yes, me too. And they have Zagnut bars.
I don't know, they still made that stuff.
Me either. And Zero, that used to be a popular candy bar.
These are pretty wild here.
Yes, love Marvel types.
Cotton candy, watermelon, chocolate mint.
Candy taffy.
Man.
Sold by weight. Quarter of a pound is $3.50.
That's probably half a pound at least, right?
I said if we were doing Easter baskets, like
We were only in half the store, believe.
Toxic waste, hazardously sour candy.
Toxic waste. This huge. This is a huge store. You know what this, Sharon? Remember the one out there?
Man, this is crazy.
Very well named. Boardwalk down there. It was.
I remember.
It was the. I think it was Monterey, wasn't it?
Yes.
Isn't that where it was? Look at these barrels.
Look at this gummy fried eggs.
He's getting a picture of all of it.
I've never seen so much candy.
Jelly bellies.
I know, it's crazy.
You better
Did you
start
see that down there over here?
bucking up.
They've got gummy fried eggs. Did you see that?
No, gummy fried eggs.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh God. You probably use some of that for fish bait, Glenn. Some of those squiggly worms you can
Yeah.
for fish bait.
Man, what a candy store.
Jeez, creepers. Getting into the jelly bellies.
Well, I'm paying up and getting out of here. I'll see you guys outside.
I already paid for mine.
Let's go. Okay, your channel is what?
Mason WS.
Mason WS.
X.
Mason WX.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's a
You got a pen?
I got a phone that I can go straight to YouTube.
Okay, it's just Blaney's channel. It's BLANEY apostrophe S.
Wi-Fi.
It's gonna be good. I'm gonna eat you. Ah.
Another couple for Papa.
All right.
Yeah, I want these too.
B-L-A-M.
No, B-L-A-N-E-Y,
Can I have these too?
apostrophe S,
Mama, it's so fun.
Blaney's Channel. C-H-A-N-N-E-L.
It's so much fun. I got this.
Oh, is that what you have? You put the other ones back? This one, right?
That's me right
All
there.
right. Awesome. Love YouTube, you know.
And mine is M-A-S-O-N.
You have it. Oh, can I tell me your channel?
Mine,
No, it's, wait.
mine is Mason WX.
Oh, you already gave me yours.
Mason WX.
W?
This. Really?
Yeah. I don't think so.
Okay, I got shoe gun. Boom, boom, boom,
Okay.
boom, boom, boom.
I don't know.
I'll look you up when I get home.
Mason XII or something. He only has one video.
No, it was Mason WX. I guarantee you.
What's it?
Mason WS, well, why did you quit making them?
Because I don't know how to do
Well,
it.
because my dad passed away and we couldn't make it.
Download Windows Movie Maker.
Windows Movie Maker.
It's free
Oh, really?
and easy. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Windows Movie Maker.
Cool.
Oh, that's so fun.
And it might say Microsoft Movie Maker these days, but it's cheap and easy.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
Well,